Today we are so hungry that we are so hungry. The wedding just ended. I was the coin bearer.
Eyes on our newlyweds as they do the cake cutting tradition. Alright? Makinig.
And now we're gonna eat. But it's so tagal. And by the way, welcome again to Jefferson Lagos channel. This is the wedding. This is
Ang sarap. I love the water.
I like air.
Man, this air souffle is so delicious.
Alright people, makinig. Ayon po kay Greek moon goddess Artemis, every wedding celebration daw po, dapat daw po ang cake bilog. Parang buwan. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka bakit po ang simbolo ng pag-ibig singsing? Kasi po ang singsing, parang buwan, walang simula, walang wakas, walang umpisa, walang katapusan. Dapat ganun din daw po ang kanilang pagmamahalan. And every wedding celebration daw po, dapat daw po ang cake matamis. Para maging matamis ang kanilang pagsasama all throughout their lives together as husband and wife. And lastly, ang pagkat daw po ng cake dapat triangular. Bakit triangular? Dapat daw po nasa sentro, nasa tuktok ng ating bagong kasal ang Panginoon, and on both sides, ang ating bagong kasal. Mr. and Mrs. Jerry and Arlene Concepcion,
It's my
please
cousin,
cut a
Andre.
portion of your cake.
Ang sarap ng water.
At the air.
Water is so delicious.
At the air. Got water and air. Our favorite food.
Yeah.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, isang masigabong palakpakan po para po sa ating bagong kasal. They were finally able to cut a portion of their cake. Ma'am, sir, each get a fork.
Fork? My fork.
You can have my
Sige po, bawat isa kumuha po ng fork, ma'am.
kain.
This time,
Kain.
you are going to
Kain.
fork feed each other. Pero,
What? Ano daw?
ang mauuna po muna ay ang ating groom, Sir Jerry. Kung kayo po ay talagang nakinig sa ceremony kanina, kung napansin po ninyo, inabot po ni Father
Give me.
yung aras kay Sir Jerry. Tama? After po nun, inabot niya kay Ma'am Arlene. Ang simbolo po ng aras ay kasaganaan, prosperity, at kung ano pa man na meron si Sir Jerry, ipinapasa mo na po yun kay Ma'am Arlene. Dahil po dyan, ikaw po ang unang magsusubo ng cake. Alright? Pero,
I give it a 10 out of 10.
hindi pa rin.
Air. Why would you
Sabi
put
nila,
that?
nagulat si Ninang. Sabi nila, kung sino raw po ang may mas malaking subo ng cake,
Why would you
ganun
put
daw po
that?
kalaki ang kanyang pagmamahal
Why?
dito. Alright?
So yummy,
Sige
Air.
po.
Air.
Ayun po ang cake na. Sige po, Sir Jerry.
Pwede na.
Sige po, Sir Jerry. Feed your wife.
Here comes the airplane. Ano ba klase nga?
Tapos pinag yung buong cake na pie in the face.
Ganun daw, ganun ba?
Ganon kalaki.
Ganun daw.
Ang laki.
Ganun daw.
Sana hindi sila mabulunan. Ma'am Arlene, lumaban ka, sige. Naku, parang plano pa isubo pati plato, sabi ko na eh. Ay, ganyan kalaki. Alright. Sige po. Sige, ipakita. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating bagong kasal. This time, I would like to request our best man and maid of honor to please be here in front.
Make it bigger. Oh no, we're in jail. Yung tumukha lang natin.
Oh no! It's a reflection of you.
Thank you.
Alright? Sige po.
Sorry.
Para po magbigay ng kanilang mga mensahe, we have our maid of honor first,
Ano ba yan?
Miss Mikey V.
What's up, guys? We're about to eat now.
Kumain nga ako ba?
Sabi ni AJ sa manok, pwede dalawa.
First time
Sabi bawal po sa
There was a moment
Ayaw niya pang kumuha nito.
everything
Sabi ko pa, ikaw
was
kumakain. Thank you po.
'cause I didn't need to ask or even why. Because each question is the answer when you're near, and I'm wise enough to know when a miracle unfolds. This is the last time of my life.
Hindi mo naiintindihan.
Now don't hold back.
Kapag ayaw mo, bigay mo sa akin.
Please let
Kasi
me
sayang
know.
yan. Kasi bayad yan.
Could I be moving much too fast or way too slow? It's all of my life I waited for this day to find that once in a lifetime. This is it. I'll never be the same. You never know
Ayaw
what's
mo kumuha, di ba?
need to say these words. And now that I say them, they could never be enough. As far as I can see, there's only you and only. This is the last time I fall in love.
You are really, really hungry.
Last time I fall in love.
Babalik pa ako sa kanila rin. Weird na.
Okay.
There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without ever knowing what our life were all about. Thinking, running out of ocean, he gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I feel.
Baka di ako kumain ng manok.
You gave me
Walang gulay na una ko.
to my life. Yes, I'm on beyond existing. And you want me now, and I'm empty. I love the touch of your hand, and when I look in your eyes, I just I know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will do.
Balik-balik mo, bumalik ako.
Your love will light up my world and take all my pain away, making part of me.
Buti pwede. Buti pwede.
Pwede mo magbalikan. Nam-nam-nam.
For my being, and I love what I feel. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing.
Tinuturuan tayo magkaroon ng magandang hygiene. That is useful. I love soap.
Pag open. Ang mayaman kasi yung box na yun.
Paano ba binuksan niya? Ba, kulay
Sabon,
yellow.
may sabon.
Sunflower yung sa'yo, bro. Meanwhile, mine.
May switch?
Bro, I don't wanna switch. Mine is white.
I think you like yellow.
This is like yellow here.
It's your favorite color.
Ano? Glutamancy. What does yours smell like? 50 grams. Hindi, wag kang mag-ano. You're eating like it's the last time you're gonna eat.
Meron yung ano eh.
Drink sample.
Pag halimbawa sa may makeup ay sa'yo brand, yung sa ganun na relax nila. Ito lang lang sa pag-guide. Kasi may na rin sila.
Bawas.
We would like to thank the operation manager of Jera Oriental Hotel. Thank you so much for the wonderful accommodation and service that they have provided us here. And also, we would like to thank Ma'am and Leader Assurance of Ryan Evelyn Palace of Royal Spartan Shop for supervising the physical arrangement of our reception venue and for the sumptuous food and decadent resort. We'd also like to thank Beanards Creative for the perfect snapshots and video covers of our newlyweds. Audibus Lights and Sounds for the lights and sounds. Famous Mobile Bar for the mobile bar. And of course, for our photo man, courtesy of Larawan.ph. Enjoy your meals, everybody.
Kuha ka pa? Appetizer pa lang yata yun eh.
Nasa pamagat pa lang siya.
And of course, Matter Brains Events Coordination for the ordination.
Pwede naman yung tech kasi nalaman ng flavor na nakakaya niya ay. Ang pili ko yung lahat ng mga nasa
Balik ka ba?
panis kay AJ tsaka kay LJ. Hindi na binigyan ng chicken. Second round na ni AJ. Hindi, video lang. Hindi ka na ito paglagay ko sa ilalim mo. Para pag naman sa akin. Yeah. Hindi ka na binigyan ng chicken.
Hindi, ayoko.
Ayaw mo.
Meron na
Sharing
ako
is
eh.
caring.
O tingnan mo, pag dito gusto mo yung kare-kare, pag sa atin ayaw mo.
May difference to
Meron na
ate.
ako eh.
Excuse me.
What?
I gotta charge my phone and life support. 4%.
Second lang guys.
Second round. Tingin ko you're gonna go back for a third one.
Yun na proper ha. Ay lalagay mo yan dyan. Sabi niya nga ni Tito ni Lolo Rosso, alam niya yun.
Alam ko kasi pag hindi pa.
Oo, diba?
Ba't ano sabi niya? Akala niya kinukuhin ko mo?
Oo, nagagalit.
Alam ko
Sinabi
yun.
mo pa daw.
Alam ko yun kapag hindi pa.
Sinabi mo pa eh.
Man, wala akong drink. And I'm just,
Tulo yun.
anong lasa? I don't
Yeah.
know.
Parang itatawag lang namin kay Jay. Kuya po.
It's red iced tea.
Strawberry. Ikaw ka lang?
Kumain siguro.
You look drunk, man.
Si ano pala tayo, yung katrota mo, yung sa kabali mo, sa PJ pala na kami. Sa PJ ba? Ang ano? Si ano Kat? Si Kat? Oo. Sa PJ ba daw? Oo, parang PJ kami sa ano. Paano, overdue na yung chan niya? Dapat i-ano na yun. Wala talaga pinili siya serious. Tapos yung kapag-check up? Laingin yata na papagay daw. Hindi mo to.
Ayoko.
Wow.
Indubitably.
May kanin yung ano mo.
Oo, pwede yan. Nakakain naman na lahat daw eh. Pwede na yun. Nakakain na.
Ako di ba ako nakain?
Kasi wala ko na yung hindi pag kailan ka nakagay mo sa ibang Di ba? Ang daan ni Jay. Hindi daw siya. Tapos boys ng ano mo, ng baso. Kaya ka na naman ako. Pinasa na kita early.
Hindi, okay ka lang? Gusto ko matulog. I'm gonna sleep. Anong? Ayan, now you're full. Yung gutom na lalaki, hindi na gutom. He's full now. Ay, simutin mo yan. Gotta savor your food, man.
kasama. Pero siya dapat nandiyan. Yan yung bakit kapag
Champagne. Really fancy.
Indubitably.
Pili gumawa ka speech.
di ba may nakita ka na sa ano, nakapapansin mo sa Facebook?
I, in this dinner and this place, I present to you Skibidi Toilet.
Cheers. Yay.
Kaya mo kay LJ walang doon. Hindi ka ba?
Ano ba yun?
Pinasabihan niya kita po.
times, and I just want to look at your face.
Fancy ako, Wino.
Through the
Magic, magic.
stars in the night,
Oh, where is it?
there are times, and I just want to feel your embrace. In the cold night, I just
Thank you guys for the video. Bye bye.